I can feel the results instantly.
My skin feels firmer. I think it's beautiful. Meet the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum, the serum made for every stage of your skincare journey.
For a youthful complexion.
A gentle formula to deliver a hydrated and lifted appearance instantly and over time.
Created with polypeptides and pomegranate seed oil to improve hydration, smooth skin tone, and help firm the skin.
Hyaluronic acid to smooth wrinkles and help prevent future lines and wrinkles.
Here's how I use the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum.
After cleanser and toner, apply the Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum.
Apply to the face, neck, and chest. Pat into skin until fully absorbed.
After using it consistently, I see a big difference in my fine lines.
I can just feel it working.
My skin feels firmer.
Lifted and refreshed. I love how gentle and nourishing it is.
It has such a fresh pomegranate scent.
Follow with your favorite moisturizer. Don't forget to apply SPF.
The Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. I'm glowing and radiant.
I love my skin.
Redefine and embrace your skin at every age.
The Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum.